What's good, everyone on YouTube? This is BTC the Villain back with another unboxing. Delayed W action, actually. I caught these on StockX for a pretty good price, and let's get into it. As you can see, it's a black Nike box. You see the Kobe logo and the Kobe signature right here. Kobe 1 Protro, white Del Sol and varsity purple, size 13. Now I did buy these from StockX, so it came with a little StockX card. You know, if I want to tag, it's the order confirmation, StockX sticker, whatever. But let me put this back. Oh shit! Oh, okay, hold up. Okay, so as you guys can see, this is the Kobe 1 Protro in the Lakers colorway. I am a Kobe fan. I'm a big Lakers fan, so I had to have these. I absolutely had to have these. These are, oh my god, these look so good in person. These are, man, these are crazy. Getting into a little bit of review for you guys. As you can see, this is white, predominantly white. You see it's a purple toe, yellow swoosh, up tempo on the back, number 8 on the side for Kobe's old number before he switched in, I think it was 2005 or 06. Black Kobe logo on the tongue. These are purple rope laces, but these are like more of a luxury type rope, not like a Jordan 11 lace. So there's a star right here. This is a black carbon fiber shank on the heel. Black carbon fiber right here. This is more of like a texture like marble like leather on the side panel. Take these out. Black Kobe logo, if the thing would focus. Black Kobe logo. Black is inside and the Kobe logo inside is yellow. On the bottom, herringbone traction. Also with these diamond type studs or whatever. Zoom air on the back with this white pad right here. So that's all I got for you guys for today's unboxing. The Kobe 1 Protro closeout. I think it's called the Think 16 pack. It's part of that pack. So here you go. Just another 360. The bottom and the inside. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.